morning all of you and welcome to chemistry class. Today we will discuss the properties of bases. Bases are the chemical opposites of acids. When bases are added to acids, they neutralize the effect of acids. So we can also define a base as a chemical substance which can neutralize an acid. The solutions of the substances like caustic soda, lime, and washing soda are bases. Let's discuss the properties of bases. The properties of bases include nature, indicator properties of bases, chemical reactions of bases. Nature of bases. Bases are soapy to touch and bitter to taste. Caustic alkalis are corrosive as they combine with oils and fats in the skin. For example, sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. They are good conductors of electricity. Indicator properties of bases. Indicators are the chemical compounds which determine the acidic or basic nature of solution by characteristic change in their color. Indicators turn red litmus blue. They impart pink color to phenolphthalein. They impart yellow color to methyl orange. And they impart red color to methyl red. Now let's move to the chemical properties of bases. Alkalis absorb carbon dioxide from air and form the corresponding metal carbonates by absorbing CO2 from air. These neutralize acids to form salt and water. Alkalis liberate ammonia from ammonium salts. Alkalis react with ammonium salt to liberate ammonia, which is a pungent smelling basic gas. Alkalis reacts with ammonium salts gives salt plus water plus ammonia. Alkalis precipitate insoluble hydroxide. All hydroxides with exception NaOH, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide are insoluble in water. Hence, they can be precipitated out from the solution. Salt solution plus alkali gives insoluble hydroxide and salt. Insoluble hydroxide decompose on heating and it gives its corresponding metal oxide and steam. Now, what do all the bases have in common? When a base is dissolved in water, it always produces hydroxide ions. Thus, a base is a substance which dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ions in the solution. For example, sodium hydroxide. It produces sodium ions and hydroxide ions in presence of water. And potassium hydroxide, it produces potassium ions and hydroxide ions in the solution. And the properties of the alkalis are due to the presence of hydroxide ions. Now let's discuss the uses of bases. Some of the important uses of bases are: sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap, paper, and a synthetic fiber called rayon. Calcium hydroxide, which is called as slack lime, is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid to neutralize excess acid in the stomach and cure indigestion. Sodium carbonate is used as washing soda for softening hard water. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as baking soda in cooking food and for making baking powders. And potassium hydroxide, which is commonly called as caustic potash, is used for making paint removers, dyes for fabric. Thank you students and have a nice day.